Welcome back. Game on continues here on Hawaiian Airlines Field at Aloha Stadium as we count down to tonight's matchup. The Rainbow Warriors of Hawaii taking on the Panthers of Northern Iowa. Again, bad news, as we mentioned in the first segment, for Hawaii coming late in the game against Oregon State. The injury to Joey Iosefa, Rob.
That's right, Kanoa, here in the fourth quarter, trailing 38-31. Still with a chance to try and tie this game. Fourth and long situation. The ball goes to Joey. Probably not the play you want to call at that time, knowing that you need that many yards. But he gets it. And as you can see here on this tackle, pulled backwards, and he fractures his right ankle. And the diagnosis so far, out 4 to 6 weeks. Huge loss for this University of Hawaii football team.
So on that note, let's take a timeout for health presented by Straub and paging Dr. Nick Crawford, orthopedic surgeon with Straub. Thank you, doctor, for joining us. I know you can't speak specifically about Joey Iosefa's injury, but in general, with the nature of this kind of injury, out 4 to 6 weeks, is that enough time for this injury to fully heal?
I certainly hope so. I wish him a quick recovery. It is tough to recover from a broken bone. Even sprains sometimes can keep you out quite some time. It sounds like he did break the bone, so at least 4 to 6 weeks in most cases.
So what are we talking about? You have the model here. Take us through exactly what happened.
Sure. I don't know his injury specifically, but the small bone on the outside of the ankle here, this is likely what was fractured, especially watching the injury on the field. And we just routinely will plate this bone with a plate and some old-fashioned screws. But it takes the body healing to really do that. We can't speed that process. That normally takes at least 3 to 4 weeks.
Now, no matter how long it does take for him to heal and get back on the field, if he does get back on the field this season, having an injury like this, are they more prone to happening again? This is a guy that the University of Hawaii football team expects to carry the ball 30 times. He's a bruising back. Will he be the same Joey Iosefa this season if he does come back?
I think he'll make a full recovery, but the medical staff has to make a determination when he's safe, based on x-rays, how he's doing in the training room, what kind of care he's getting. And when he shows that he's around 90 to 95%, they'll probably let him go and give that a shot, trying to minimize the future potential for risk.
Well, we appreciate the time here, Dr. Nick Crawford with Straub, orthopedic surgeon, and thanks for sneaking the model out of the office. We appreciate it. Helped us understand a little bit more about that injury. All right, we're going to take a break. When we come back, more Game On. We're going to hear from the guys who are going to be calling the game from up in the booth when we come back.